Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check schedule on HotSchedules. So first is head over to hotschedules.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top left corner of your screen, you should be able to see a black icon just beside HotSchedules. So just click on it. Now from here, you should be able to see a navigation menu. And from here, all you have to do is click on Home, then My Schedule. This will then take you to the My Schedule page where you can see all your schedules, all filtered out by month and years, my shifts, and available pickups. To switch from date to dates, just click on the left or right button. And from here, you should be able to see schedules on a specific day and date. And to see all your schedules, just click on the See All Schedules link. You will then see an overview of all your schedules for the specific month assigned to you, and you can always check the schedules by heading back to the My Schedule page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!